After. A-F-T-E-R. I play football after school. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Play that song again. An. A-N. I see an ant. Any. A-N. Why? I don't have any crayons. As. A-S. I am as fast as a horse. Ask. A-S-K. I will ask Mom to make cookies. By. B-Y. He came to school by bus. Could. C-O-U-L-D. I wish I could run fast. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. I go to school every day. Fly. F-L-Y. A horse cannot fly. From. F-R-O-M. I got a call from my mother. Give. G-I-V-E. Can you give me one paper? Going. G-O-I-N-G. We are going to the park. Had. H-A-D. I had dinner early today. Has. H-A-S. The boy has a basketball. Her. H-E-R. I like her handwriting very much. Him. H-I-M. We share some cookies with him. His. H-I-S. This is his bat. How. H-O-W. How was your day? Just. J-U-S-T. The train just left. No. K-N-O-W. Now I know sight words. Let. L-E-T. Dad, let me go for swimming. Live. L-I-V-E. I live in India. May. M-A-Y. May I come in? Of. O-F. Table is made of wood. Old. O-L-D. This book is very old. Once. O-N-C-E. I saw a lion once. Open. O-P-E-N. Can we open the door? Over. O-V-E-R. We will go over the bridge. Put. P-U-T. Put the books over there. Round. R-O-U-N-D. The earth is round. Some. S-O-M-E. Put some apples in the basket. Stop. S-T-O-P. The bus will stop at the school. Take. T-A-K-E. Take a water bottle with you. Thank. T-H-A-N-K. I want to thank my teacher. Them. T-H-E-M. Look at them play. Then. T-H-E-N. First dinner, then dessert. Think. T-H-I-N-K. I think she is happy. Walk. WALK. I went for walk after dinner. Were. WERE. There were 2 cakes. When. WHEN. When do you finish your study?
Thank you. For more videos, subscribe on Kids Circle.